I'm Jelani from Sophos Tech, and today I'll be demonstrating Sophos Firewall's free text and value-based search improvements in version 19.5. In Firewall version 19, we introduced free text search that allowed searching by value or label in Firewall, NAT, SSL, and SD-WAN route objects. Now, we've taken this a step further and implemented live search for objects in hosts and services. Let's take a look. Okay, so let's get started. In this search bar in hosts and services, we can perform searches by name, type, and value objects. Let's start with the IP host tab. I'll search for an IP host name to start. Now, this is not a case-sensitive search, and we can see it's returned our results based on the name. We can hit the escape key to clear the search. You can, of course, also search based on IP addresses and subnet masks. Now, you can't search in the live search box for IP versions, but you can use the funnel filters to filter for IP versions and then use live search on top of that. Similarly, you can't search for IP addresses within a different range or network. Moving over to the IP host group, we can search for IP host group names and also their attributes. For example, we can search for port 1, which will show all the IP host groups that port 1 belongs to. You can also search for IPs, which will show you groups that have a host with that IP. Lastly, we can also search by description text, as you can see here. In MAC hosts, we can search by name or by a MAC host address. In FQDN host and FQDN host group, we can search by FQDN address or FQDN name. In country group, we can search by name or for the Alpha2 country code. In services and services group, we can search by name or the port number that belongs to a TCP or UDP service. And that concludes the improvements to the free text and value-based search in Sophos Firewall version 19.5. At TechVids, we love making these kinds of videos for you. If you find them useful, let us know by giving us a thumbs up. Check out the documentation for this video in the video description, and for further assistance, view and post questions on community.sophos.com. For more great videos like this one, definitely check out techvids.sophos.com. Thanks for watching. Stay safe out there.